Hello, my name is Edson Oliveira and I'll be presenting this video for DNNHere.com, and in this video I'll be going through a module called Live Content from Mandeeps. Now this is the first time that I run this module. I've never run it before, so that's my first experience with this module. So I decided to have a look at this module because it does seem to be interesting, and if you go to Snow Covered homepage, it's in the top 20 most popular modules in Snow Covered, so you can see it right here. Live content from Mandeeps. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to download the free trial that they have, and let's see how it goes. Let's try to install. Let's give it a shot. Let's see how it works. Not so much sure of what to expect, but let's give it a try. So let's download this. Save in my local computer. So it says that it asks me to extract. So I'm gonna extract this here. This is what I'm doing. So this is the new folder. There is a documentation folder, which is very good. Actually, every single mod should have a good documentation for users. Let me just try to double click here. So there is really an extensive online help. If I go back to the files that I have extracted, there is also another folder called install files. And inside of that, I have live content, slideshow, and text cloud. So at this point, what I'm gonna try to do, again, without reading the documentation, I'm just gonna try to install live content, which is the one that the module that I was talking about. So let's copy this address. Let's go now to our development site. This is our sample site, test site. I'm gonna log in as host because I need to install a module, super user. And then I can go to host menu, module definitions. And from the action menu at the top, I can click install module. So if I click browse, I will be able to put the folder that I have my installation files, and I will select live content. Let's click open. Let's click next. Again, just installing it as a regular module. Click next again. Then next. And accept license. Click next. Installation went fine, no errors. Let's click return. Okay, now let's have a look at see if the module is here. Let's have a look. Live content, so it is here. Now, what I'm going to try to do is I'm just gonna create a new page, and this will be my test page. So this is live content page. I'm just gonna make this visible to our users, including the menu, and click update. So we have the new page here. I'm gonna delete this module to give space to the new module. And at the top, let's select live content here. So here's live content. I'm gonna put it in the content pane. And so let's just click add module. Again, I'm going through this without reading any documentation here. Now, this is a trial version, so I'm just gonna click, let's keep it at standard version. And I'm just gonna click here in continue trial. Let's see. Okay, so there's a license of 14 days, so I can give it a shot. Now let's go back here to live content page, and it does seem to me that it has a whole bunch of features here. One is about pictures, about video, content, modules, audio, frame that you can bring pages from another website, and Flash as well. So again, what I'm gonna try to do here, I'm gonna try to upload a couple of pictures and see how it looks like, see how it goes. Basically, let's try to do a picture gallery at this point. So if I click upload picture, let's see what will happen. I can put a title, pick one, and then description, and I can put some tags. my name here, just for the sake of example. Then let's click on Browse. And from here, I have selected a couple of pictures, just sample images that I can put here for fun. Okay, so it already uploaded. That's great. So let's click Add. And thank you for uploading. It will be visible shortly. Let's click Return. So the image is right here already. And if I click, it does expand, and it has some controls here. The title is at the top. There's also a description here. There's an interesting control here that you can expand to the full view. Let me reduce this. Goes back. Okay, let's try another picture here. Let's upload new. Pick 2. Let's pick 2 description. And I'm gonna select the picture by clicking Browse. And I'm gonna get another one here. I've selected. And then let's just click Add here. Oh, I have to specify a tag. Say test tag. Click Add. Thank you. Let's click Return. Okay, so now I have 2 pictures, and that again I can click. I can close this. So if I click outside, I guess, or if I click inside. Now let's explore a little bit more on this module. Let's go to the action menu, and then let's click Add Element. Now from Add Element, it seems that we can add pictures, which we have added, videos, which we can add from the previous screen, and then we can add content, modules as well. Let's give a shot here on modules. So from here, I can select the portal. I can select the page that I want to get the module from. I'm assuming, let's say homepage. And from the modules drop down, I can select any module that I guess is located inside the homepage. So let's just, for the sake of example, for the sake of a test, let's click here in sponsored HTML. Let's click Next. And it's asking for the source of the thumbnail. Let's keep it as the full image. Click Next. This is a title. And this is the caption. So this is the tag. Let's click we can select the locale as well. That's great. So let's click on Add. Okay, so when I clicked Add, it has added another icon to the list that was getting created before, which I have added 2 images. Now let's see what happens when I click on that icon. Okay, great. So it's bringing the content from that module in that page that I have selected inside this pop-up. Let's close here. Now this module is very extensive. I mean, there are lots and lots and lots of features, so there's no way that I can go in 10 minutes, go through the entire module. But let's just have a quick look here on the online help. Right here, yeah. So under the online help, we can there is a section that says how do I do. So there is it seems to be quite a good help here from the online help. So we can have a good reference from here. Let's go back to the module one more time, and then let's go to the action menu, and then let's see options. Okay, so here we have a lot of different options as well. We can even set Google Analytics, Amazon S3, and then there is general settings, templates, thumbnails, slideshows, themes, a bunch. So basically, as far as I could see at this point, you can put a whole bunch of different elements, images, videos, modules, content, in those kind of model pop-ups that I guess are used in Ajax here. Again, quite a lot of stuff that we can explore here, but this is as far as I will go in this video. Okay, thank you very much. Bye for now.